Sabi ng isang kanta, when you feel the world is tumbling down on you, and you have no one that you can hold on to, just face the rising sun, and you'll see hope, and there's no need to run. Lift up your hands to God, and He'll make you feel alright. Ito yung imbitasyon ng Panginoon. And He said, cast your burdens upon me, those who are heavily laden. Come to me, all of you who are tired of carrying heavy loads. For the yoke I will give you is easy, and my burden is light. Come to me, and I will give you rest. Mga kapatid, lakasan nyo pa loob nyo. Tatagan nyo pa. Tibayan nyo pa. Malapit na. Tatagumpay na. Huwag kang manghina. Huwag kang susuko. Huwag kang bibitaw. Kahit ano pa yan, mas malaki ang Panginoon dyan. Kahit na sino pa yan, mas makapangyarihan ang Panginoon dyan. Tatagan mo. Kasi sabi ng Panginoon, ako ang bahala sa iyo. Amen? Amen? Malakas na palakpak para sa ating Panginoon.